Dr. Huebner here, Natural Transplants. I'm here with Ryan, and Ryan is at 13 months. And, Ryan looks amazing. He's one of our superstars, and he's also been kind enough to blog his experiences and whatnot as well. So, Ryan, tell us about your life and tell us about how you feel about your hair.
So, just living life in San Francisco. It's definitely busy in terms of, work and trying to, I guess pace along with the high real estate prices and that kind of stuff. But basically, did the hair transplant, and I've definitely been seeing great results. Taking finasteride based on kind of Dr. Huebner's recommendations. So that's actually no bad things happening there. So
no side effects, nothing going on. Everyone worries about that. Okay, good.
So that's great. And then in terms of kind of what my friends and family have been saying, I remember my parents were a little freaked out when I told them that I was gonna kind of do this initially. And now they're just like, wow, this is great. So
I love your hairline, man. It's nice and squared off. A nice little recession that we built in. It looks natural.
Exactly.
Yep.
Exactly. So a lot of my friends that I've told, they're always amazed. But the funny thing is when I kind of see acquaintances that I'm not that personal with, and I don't tell them. And so a lot of times they see me and they're like, "Do you do something with your hair? Like, do you have do a style?" And so I don't say anything, but I can definitely tell that's probably what they do. So they don't know,
right?
But
they can tell you look better, but they just can't put it together that you're getting hair back, right?
Exactly.
Awesome, man.
So definitely got a lot in the front.
Yep.
And
then we're gonna hit the back one more time, right? So.
So definitely trying to do that. But I mean, if you look at my initial video,
right?
I mean, that is sometimes I remember watching that video and I was like, holy cow, that's how in terms of like having that big ball.
Yeah.
So I think that was actually one of the big reasons why I came to you, because I remember I was at the gym, and at the gym they have mirrors everywhere.
Yeah.
And while I was lifting weights, I looked across the whole gym, and I saw, there's like a reflection of the mirror that I'm looking at, and then I basically saw like an individual in the far end, and I was like, oh, he's got like a big crown, and then it ended up turning to be me. So I was like, I'm calling Dr.
No, yeah. Awesome, man.
So no, and when I go to the gym, I'm in that same situation, and I look at it and I was like, oh, dude, that looks way better.
Yeah.
Right. So they're definitely not the skin.
Yeah. It's not showing as much. And again, sometimes on a crown that's completely gone, it takes 2 passes to really get where you want to be. But I'm happy for you, man. Overall, you're happy. Would you recommend getting a hair transplant to guys that are on the fence, or
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
And I think like I said in the video, first day, that's pretty much it, right?
Yeah.
First night, and you take a painkiller, and after that, obviously, you wear a hat, so I don't really care, like, kind of what individuals or coworkers think in terms of, why is that guy wearing a hat for the first, like, every day for like 30. But other than that, I mean, it's pretty amazing.
Cool.
I definitely think it's a big bang for the buck.
Awesome, man. Well, thank you for sharing your experiences, and looking forward to seeing your results, especially with the second pass on the crown. So thanks again, Ryan.
Great. Thanks,
all right,
man.
thank you. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.